This is practical lesson 1. Then the style. We chose the Sellier Birkin 25, a very simple bag, but it's a little more complicated among all bag designs. Well, it's actually not suitable for the first one. The reason why it is not suitable is because there are little to many parts, especially for many newbies will be a little flustered. It's okay, let's sort them out. This handle, buckle strip, foot pad, key case. This is a small strip for hanging the key case. Then this is the connecting leather for the cover. This is a group. This is the corresponding pattern. Let's ignore the patterns for now. Bag flap. Bag bottom leather. Inner and outer leather of the bag side, 4 in total. 2 outer leathers, 2 interior leathers. Then the back and the front. Then this is the inside leather of the body, including 2 up and down pockets, a zipper pocket, open pocket. Any bag is like a cuboid. It's got 6 faces. Include any bag, it's all a tube. Up, down, left, right, and back. Such as this Sellier or Birkin. It's just anterior and posterior asymmetry, but it's symmetrical on left and right sides. A small piece on top, bottom below. So it's actually easier to do. And then what we do is we organize all the pieces. Then go to unify production. For example, the side part. Just need to make a simple fit and correction, and then buckle strap, foot padding for rivets. These require a simple pace, and little edge, and then set aside for next steps. Then we can do these together. Bag flap is included. Then what about the front and back? Cut reinforcements, then set it aside for later use. This is part 2. Then make the open pocket. Make another zipper pocket. Do the handle in such an order, then the bottom. And then finally, connect the leather lining. Arrange the process reasonably first. Then, it is relatively simple and clear when we make it. Then the first step. Let's start with this open pocket. Okay, let's make this open pocket first. This open pocket is simple to do. Only 2 pieces of leather are pasted together, and then the only thing that needs to be operated, just an extra folding. Align the 2 leather. Then sometimes if the leather is too thin and soft, then you can add a layer of 0.3 talon. If everything is okay, then there is no need to add it. Pay attention to when piston is to be sure to stick it flat. Don't wrap it up. Then how to fold this? Find the ruler. And find the shaping stick. Follow this line. Ruler as a backer. The folded line is very straight. Press a few more times. Then take this away. After folding this line, use this ruler again. Hold this hand down. Then use a ruler to put it on at one time. One more twist. Hi, it's here. Why is it open? Oh, because I haven't applied glue yet. Now we don't need to glue. Instead, use double-sided tape. Make a temporary fix, because I still have to sew up. So don't panic here. Find the double-sided tape to make a temporary fix. Then lean down a little when it fits. In this case, the needle will not stick when sewing. Stick the needle together, then reuse this hand. Must hold this hand down, then twist it down. Okay, so we get a very straight edge. Check it out. Then this side is done. Find a small hammer and hit this edge lightly. Then the pocket is ready. But the current state of this pocket is too large, so we need to correct it. Find the pattern for this pocket. Align this line. Center it. Remember, punch holes first and then trim off excess leather. If you get the order wrong, like you trim it first, then punch holes, the moment it punches down, it will make the edge of the leather wavy. Because when we punch, we expand the hole, not like a round hole punch tool. Round hole punch tool was still part of the leather. This chisel tool just expands the hole. If you correct the leather first and expand the edge, this edge will have the shape of a wave. So don't do the process upside down. Okay, after understanding the thought, let's put this double-sided tape on. Let's use the fiber of the leather to reduce the stickiness. It's so easy to use. Align the line above. Then cut and correct it. After open pocket is finished, oiling these three edges. Then we sew it onto the inner leather. When suturing the inner leather, you can do it like this. Because the inner leather is pretty enlarged, so are the sides. So just put the pattern in the center. Put the pattern in the middle here with the midline. Sweep gently along the midline, but don't break. Then fold the pair in half. Align and paste it and it finish. Then pull a strip of double-sided tape on the upper end. When paste them, align like this. Put it like this. Take it away, so the alignment is okay. Another way is to punch along the pattern, then sew against the punch hole. Both methods work.